Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Check out this stunning cabinet from FIONESO. It has definitely become the focal point of my dining room. I absolutely love this beautiful design. This style cabinet comes in many different colors, and I chose the wood grain gray to match the decor of my dining room. But with all the beautiful colors that it comes in, I would love to get another one to put in my bathroom also. This beautiful rustic design is sure to enhance any room that you put it in. I love that the cabinets are easy to open and close, and the hardware that it comes with is absolutely beautiful. So I really wanted a cabinet for my back door to hold pool towels and other fun summer things, and this cabinet met all of those needs and more. It has ample shelf space and a spacious drawer between the doors. The kit came with everything that you need to put it together, including the hardware and the tools. I found that with the easy-to-read instructions, I had it together all by myself in about an hour. And as I assembled this storage cabinet, I really appreciated the durable material and the attention to detail. I'm confident that this cabin will last me for years to come, despite my crazy family and pets. So if you're looking for a beautiful cabinet system for your bedroom, bathroom, or really any other room, then I highly recommend this storage cabinet from FIONESO. And that's my point of view.